Intelligent and futuristic, presenting the Eon. The Eon, the futuristic motorcycle.
This motorcycle incorporates Honda's unique balancing control technology derived from Osmo. The technology is small enough to fit on a normal-sized motorcycle, and it does not need a gyro for balancing. The auto balancing function is always active, even with a rider on it. You don't even have to put your feet on the ground when coming to a complete stop. Honda Riding Assist keeps the bike stable at low speeds, eliminating any worry of heavy traffic. Now let's take a moment to look at the bike's front wheel. Notice how it turns precisely. That helps it maintain balance. Get ready for the next generation of motorcycle. The balancing technology of Honda Riding Assist frees a rider from the hassles of low-speed movement and the stresses of stop-and-go traffic. Honda Robotics and Riding Assist technology continues to evolve, offering the rider more fun regardless of their skill level. Honda has set out to improve the experience of riding a motorcycle. We continually strive to provide more solutions to simplify and liberate the hassles and stresses of daily life. We are pleased to be able to advance this objective by integrating robotics into the